Hi, Martin here. Today I want to show you how to replace your crankshaft position sensor. I've been actually having problems with mine it's been about like a week, and it's intermittent problems. Usually after the engine gets warmed up, it starts acting like it's almost running out of gas, but very briefly. I mean, it's just you lost ignition. Just all of a sudden the tach goes to zero and then right back up again. And on the way home the other day, it just died. Luckily it refired and I got it back home. And not until after that did I get a code, a P0320, indicating that there's a problem with the crankshaft position sensor. And I've had this problem once before, did pretty much the exact same thing. So imagine this one's gone out again. I've got the replacement right here. It's not too hard to replace other than just getting to the two bolts that hold this on. You do need some extensions. Alright, and this will be a typical install for all your Jeep Wranglers, Cherokee, and the Grand Cherokees on your 4.0 engines. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first we need to find the connector and disconnect that. You're going to find that over here on the left side of the engine, back here toward the firewall. Okay, here's the connector right here. To disconnect that, you push this tab right here. Alright, now all you need is a couple long extensions. I got I don't know, what is that, 18-inch long one there. I got another foot right here. Very helpful if you got a swivel end and 11mm socket. And then of course, a 3/8 ratchet. Now to access the crankshaft position sensor, you have to get up underneath the vehicle, and on the left-hand side, on the upper part of the bell housing, right between the engine and the transmission there, and that's where you'll find it. Okay, right there. Okay, now using these two long extensions, alright, once you get that all unbolted and disconnected, go ahead and remove your crankshaft position sensor, and then bring in your new one and get it positioned into place. Now I place the bolt back into the socket I found that to be the easiest way. It is really hard to bring the bolt up there by hand and try to get it started. There just isn't enough room to like turn your hand with the bolt in your hand to get it started. This seemed to work pretty good this way right here. Now, don't tighten that bolt completely down. You can kind of just lightly snug it. If that, leave it a little bit loose. That way, when it comes time to line up the second bolt, you can get it lined up properly. Now you can go ahead and tighten that bolt down, and then go back to your first one and tighten that all the way down. Alright, now get your connector back up there to where you can grab it from underneath the hood. There we go. All that's left is fire this thing up. I'm going to take it for a drive, see if the problem has gone away. Alright, so far so good. I'm going to go take it for a drive. Alright, got it all fixed. Thing is running great again. And so P0320 code, crankshaft position sensor. Definitely carry a couple of extensions with you if you have to change one of these out in the field, you know, out rock crawling or whatever. I always do carry an extra crankshaft position sensor amongst some other items. And I'll put a link down below to the stuff that you should carry with you when going out and playing in the woods or out in the rocks. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed that video, and I appreciate the thumbs up. It helps out the channel quite a bit. And if you've never subscribed to me before, please hit that subscribe button right down there and that little bell symbol right next to it. That way you get notifications of my upcoming videos. And I'm also an Amazon affiliate. Please check down in the description. I got some Amazon links to the products and tools that we used in the video. And you can do all your Amazon shopping right through one of those links. And that way the channel earns a small commission. Thanks again for watching, and we will see you on the next one.